So guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So finally I bought some mechanical pencil. Yes, you heard me right. Mechanical pencils. So let me just open it. A link will be in the description box below. Okay, here we go. As you can see, this is Nicpro Mechanical Pencil Set, which seems quite good. Oh no, I opened the wrong way. I mean, it comes with two set. I mean, I'm just going to. It's similar two set for like $15. So these are the. Can you see? These are the. I can't see. These are the HB 2H 2B. These are the thick lead one. Okay, no need now. 0.5, 0.7. I mean, for 0.9 you get like 6 pencil plus 6, you get 12 pencil plus 12 lead plus 6 eraser, because in one box you get 6 different pencil, 6 you get more than 6 lead. Okay, you get twice. It's really good, to be honest with you. You get 6 pencil, you get like 6, you get 12 lids. What do that mean? In one box you get 6 pencil, 12 lids plus 12 times 2 is equal to 24. So totally you are getting like 2 boxes. To combine, you are getting 12 pencils mechanical plus 24 lids plus 6 erasers. I mean, what else do you want? I mean, in life, to be honest with you. I mean, it's a very good deal. I can just say that it's a very good deal. But I want to demonstrate to you. First, we are going to try with the 0.5. Let's see. I love you. Okay. 0.5. Now let me try with the can you see or not? Can you see or not? I put down. Okay. I love you. 0.7. Okay, the lid is not out. What the hell is happening? Okay, now it's okay. I love you. 0.9. 2B. Yes, you can see this one is big. I love you. 2B. This is 2B. I put inside. And this one is the 2H. I love you. 2H. Okay. Again, no one paying me for this review. No one signed me for free. I bought it for my money. This one is the HB. I love you. HB. I'm happy. This is a must buy. This is a must buy for someone you're going to give a gift, a cheap, affordable gift. I'm going to use it as my daily drive. I'm happy. Jimmy, I can recommend it.